Hello there, this is a short BIM tutorial on the plumbing stuff. So on the start of the page you go and click the new. Let's wait for it to load. Okay, when you get to the blank page, go and click insert. Then load your file through the link Revit. Find your Archlink structure files, the files that you want to load. Mine is here. Remember to choose origin to origin. Open. Okay, it's loaded. For now I don't need the system browser, so I close it. After loading, I click the sites, pin it, press VG to get rid of all the plants. Show category. Apply. OK. And then you have to go to collaborate, copy monitor, select link, press the sites, copy, multiple, select the stuff, choose funnel, check none, grid, apply. OK. And finish, the small finish and the big finish. After that you will need to go to the south and adjust the levels. So you can click VG to remove the plants. Apply. OK. Then click on the site, the purple rectangle. When the building is selected, you can remove it, hide it using the sunglasses. But before that we should adjust the level. Click on the, and then align 1, 2. Okay. So once the level is arranged, you can move on to the sunglasses. Just move the cursor near the building and the purple thing will show up. Temporary hide element. Okay. Reset. Edit something. Maybe we should drag these two things to the end first. Let's find those. Okay, find a circle. and drag it to the end of the, yeah. Now you can hide it. Hide element. Go to architect level. Okay, the height is 3800. Level 3. For this you can just build up to level 3. It's enough. If you want to build the plenum, you can do so, but it's unnecessary here. Plenum. If you want to choose a plenum, go to the level. Click here. Plenum. You can just build the plenum for level 1. 2800. Yep. Escape. You just need to rename it. Would you like to rename corresponding? Yes. Just a level 1 plenum will do. Okay, after this, after you build all your levels, you can reset and put the building back. After this, you can move on. Before moving on, we can, well, if you haven't adjusted your options yet, you can do so. User interface is dark, normal. The graphics you can remove. Dimension text appearance is 10. That's all. And you have to change your project information as well. Author. For this, you can write your name down. Maybe. Issue date, you can just change it to 8/6/2012, which is today's date. Project status is ongoing. Client name, you can write it down as Mr. Bernard. Project name, you can write down as plumbing. Plumbing components. Project number, you can write any numbers. Okay, and you can edit the project address as well. Just write it down as BCA Academy, Brattle Road. Okay. Okay, after this you can proceed on to the plumbing. Go to the first floor. VG, press VG. Remove the plants. Apply. Then go to this annotation categories and remove the grids. Apply. Okay. Now you can start adding the plumbing components. Go to home, plumbing fixture, and load family. And then you can go to the plumbing components, fixtures, water closet. It doesn't matter which one you choose as long as it is reasonable. For this I shall choose this one. Flush tank. M water closet flush tank. Open. I'm just gonna put here. One, two. Okay. Escape. Press escape, which is at the top left corner of your keyboard. Then we can start adding the fixtures, urinals, the middle one, M urinal wall hung. Okay, you need to place it beside the walls or else it won't appear. It won't show up. Okay, and then you can, last but not least, it is the go load family, plumbing components, fixtures, lavatories. You can choose the rectangular one, M lavatory rectangular. Here it is. Okay. Now we shall adjust the distance. To adjust the distance, just click one of the components, and this thing will show up. Align dimension. Okay, before doing that, I wanted to add something. Go to Home and set a reference plane. Set it in the middle. Put one in the middle, and one at the side. Right. Okay. Then I shall start adjusting the distance. You may want to make it the same. Maybe you can put this down as 1500. For this one, you can just gotta click the component first. Maybe 800. Then you add another one. Align dimension. Click this. For this one, for the second one, you might want to make it equal. Okay. Right click, EQ display, and then okay. Click one of the component. And you can change the value. Maybe we can put it down as 1200. It's not equal. Okay, the number here is a bit weird. And put it down as 1500. Okay, if you want to equalize it, just click on the dimensions, EQ. You can also change it here. Change the value. Numbers will show up. Okay, the blue one you can add it 1200. Okay, both changes. Okay, this is good enough. Now delete the dimension point. Dimension. Okay. Now you can start adding the system. Go to just click any components. We'll choose the first one, piping, sanitary. Okay, we'll do sanitary first. Level 1, because it's on level 1, so just put L1 SA1. Click open in system browser. Okay, the system browser is not showing up, but you need to click and choose the rest of the components. The sanitary system. After you're done choosing all of it, finish. Okay, if your system browser doesn't show up, you can go to view, user interface, system browser. It will show up and you need to change it to piping. Okay, next you have to click it again, click piping. Okay, now you're doing hot water, so I'll just rename it as level 1 domestic DHW1. Okay, domestic hot water is only used for sink, so there's only one component in it, so we are not choosing the rest. Okay, finish. Then we choose any components again. Piping, we're doing the cold water, L1 DCW1. Okay, then you choose the rest. Okay, it may not be chosen. Okay, if you have any problems, then edit system. Okay, you click this, you click. If you click the side, you can edit the system. You can just add the rest. Finish. The rest will show up. Just click one of it. Just L1 DCW, domestic cold water. If you forget to add anything, you can just click on the categories, and then the edit system will show up. Okay, we are done with that. Now we can generate a layout. No, not yet. We have to add the drain, plumbing components, fixtures, drains. Round or rectangular, it's the same. Okay, when you place the drain, you need to change it to place on face. Just place it anywhere. Can be here, can be here, doesn't matter. I shall put mine here. There's a warning. Just ignore it. Then press escape. Now you have to go to the view and go to plan views, plan region. Choose a rectangle. You can draw it one by one, but this one is more convenient. Just choose the area where you put the drain at. Okay. After you select the area, you edit the view range. 0, -200, -400. Apply. Okay. Finish. Then it'll show up. For the sanitary, we haven't added the drain yet, so we need to add it up. So open the system browser, click on the categories, which is L1 SA1, edit system, and just add the drain. Finish. It will show up, see, for drain. And after you select all the categories, make sure the unassigned is 0. Okay. Now you can click on any components, generate layout. We shall do the sanitary one first. Okay. Okay, for this, we need to add the slope value to 1.05. So we need to go back, cancel, go to manage, MEP settings, mechanical, and then you go to the slopes, add new slopes, 1.05. Okay, and then you can click on any components, generate layout, SL1, SA1. Okay, make sure the pipe that you generate is within these walls, in between these walls. It's somewhere here. Make sure it's hidden behind the walls. Oops. Control Z. Okay, let's generate. Click on any components, generate layout. Choose the sanitary system. Slope value change to 1.05. Place a base. The base should be somewhere here. You can put it down here. I think it's fine. The offset should be -1225. Diameter is 100, I suppose so. Then you click on the solution and try to find, yeah, this will be good because it's hidden behind the walls. If you see clearly, there's a wall here, and here, and all the pipes are hidden behind it. So this one is fine. Now we shall go to the settings and change the offset to -350. -350. Okay. Finish. Okay, in order to check back, you need to go to view, section. Let's create one down here. and create another section view down here. For this one, you need to rename it. Here there's a ceiling plan, so you can. Okay, earlier on we added some levels. You can just move it. You can go to the sub-discipline. Just move it to HVAC. Plenum, you can move it to HVAC as well. For the sections, you can rename it. Let's go to the plumbing. Let's click on this section. Maybe you can name this as the cross section. Right click, rename cross section. And the other one, I can rename it as side section. And then you have to move the sub-discipline to the plumbing side. Yeah. Click on the cross section and then change it to plumbing. Make sure there's no unknown here. Okay. And then you can click WT. Remove the unwanted things that you have. Yeah, I don't need the system browser. Okay, I don't need this anymore. I can close it. Okay. Okay, if you can't see the pipes, you can adjust it. Just click on the screen, change the lines, click here, thin lines, and then change the detail level to fine. Then all the pipes will appear. The pipes will appear. This one I can close it as well. Then there's another section. WT. Details fine. Okay, you can see all the. Okay, now we shall adjust the drain first. Just click on the section view and move it using the keyboard. Down here it will show up. Okay. Then you can just select it, right click, draw pipe. You can just start drawing. You can just start drawing and let's go back. Select this, right click, draw pipe. Make sure it's sloped down. Slope is 1.05. Try to click it on the endpoint. There's a square thing. Okay, it's linked. If you're not sure, you can look at the 3D section. 3D section, See whether it's connected well or not. Okay, in the 3D section, you will not be able to see it. You need to change the detail level to find. See, it's connected. Hold shift, and you can rotate it. Okay, I think it's connected nicely. Yes. Okay, connected nicely. Now we can change the urinals. You have to change the urinals. Alright. Just delete the unwanted parts. Okay. For the 3D we don't need it for now, so we'll close it. Now we have to move the cross section to the urinal area. Just beside the urinals. See, it's moving. Okay, now we can see the urinal. You just click it, then right click, draw pipe, extend a bit, then just join it. Okay, there's a problem. Make sure that everything is between the walls. Right click, draw pipe. Okay, it's connected already. Just go to the 3D to check whether everything is connected well. If it's connected well, then you're good. Okay, there's a problem with this. There's an opening at the side of it. Just select everything. Okay, it's not showing up. And too bad. In that case, then okay, WT fine. Okay, 3D. Let's try the 3D again. Shift, then scroll. Just try to select this thing. Just click on it. Okay. Okay, for this one you need to get rid of it. So just select, go to this view and select the pipe, and you can click on the minus and it will disappear. For this one you also need to do the same thing. You just delete the pipe. You just adjust the section view first. This one doesn't matter. You can just leave it this way. Okay, to make it short, I'll just proceed on to the cold water. Okay, go to the press any components, generate layout, DCW. Okay, as you can see, all the components are connected. For this one, you may want to place the base outside. Okay, maybe down here. Place the base. Diameter, change it to 50. And then solutions. Click on the solutions. Make sure the pipes are in the walls. Okay, so it's shown here how it's connected. If it's all good, just click finish. Okay, click on find details and everything will show up nicely. From here you can just add a few more pipes. I think you can delete this off. Just go to the 3D view, delete this, delete, and you can connect. Okay, right click, draw pipe. This, because the cold water will be connected to other toilets, maybe you just click it here. It will be connected to other rooms. That's about it for the cold water. Now you wanna move to the hot water. Hot water, just click on the sink, and then it's not so important. If you click on the sink, it will show up here. This is for the hot water. Just right click on it, draw pipe, and it will appear by itself. Make sure it's not joined to the cold water. You have to change the diameter as well, 50. Right. And then just align it align it beside the hot water pipe, cold water pipe. That's all. I think that's all that. Oh, and when choosing the pipe, you need to change it to PVC as well. That's about it. I hope this helps, and good luck for your BIM test or BIM assignment. Cheers.